Did Prime Minister Andrew Holness take digs at Elephant Man and Rygin King as he ripped into what he called weak fences?
Falsely declaring travel information makes you a weak fence. Weak fence.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Prime Minister Andrew Holness has described as weak fences those Jamaicans who, by their actions, continue to put themselves and their loved ones at risk of contracting the deadly novel coronavirus.
Each and every one of us must become fully conscious of the risks so we can protect our households.
But he had harsh words for the weak fences, those who refuse to abide by the directives from the health authorities and the government, thus putting all Jamaicans at risk.
Refusing to abide by quarantine rules, falsely declaring travel information, falsely declaring travel information, falsely declaring travel information makes you a weak fence. Weak fence.
He said,
and people who should know better, people who should know better, people who are influencers, people who are influencers, people who are influencers. Yes. They should be the first to lead. Instead, they are being weak fences. Instead, they are being weak fences. Instead, they are being weak fences. Weak fences in the community effort to contain and slow the spread of the coronavirus.
The PM also added,
every individual has a duty to do their part to personally prevent and contain the spread of the disease. It is important to take careful decisions about your health, the health of your parents and grandparents, and others in your household. Failure to observe the social distancing measures and the lack of care in observing the recommended hygiene practice makes you a weak fence. Weak fence.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.